Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with a soft-top tonneau cover up top to keep your belongings covered. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have a 12-volt, 2 cup holders, and 2 USBs. And looking into the front now, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 73,578 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls. And on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your distance to empty, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature. Then you have your trip and fuel, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, compass, and auto start stop status. You have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your traction control shut off, your hazards, and your auto start stop shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple but easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls, Pro Trailer Backup Controller, and Trailer Brake Controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet. Then moving down, you have another 12-volt with 2 USBs and a little shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector at the end for normal, tow, haul, snow wet, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on to your center console, where you have 2 cup holders, center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that, you have another compartment with some flip out cup holders like so you can have some drinks and a ton of room in there. You can have drinks while this is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wacky, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.